Hello, my name is Zornitsa and I'm your Yclas instructor. In this video we're going to talk about themes for your classified website. So we're going to talk about personalized themes, how to change a theme, different customizations, the premium themes, also how to modify your theme, and I'm going to show you some examples of the themes that you can use. As you know, trying to design a theme on your own can be very expensive and time-consuming. So dealing with the Yclas team, you will leave your project to a group of 8 classifieds marketplace experts with more than 5 years of experience in building successful classifieds. We deliver on time with no hidden fees and always with the best quality you can get on the market. We focus on unique design. Unless you order a clone, we will create a unique and exclusive design for you, and we won't resell it to anyone else. You can easily change the color. Now you can choose any color. We will change your theme accordingly to your personal choice. When it comes to adding logo, you can put your logo or your partner's logos anywhere on your website. We can add you an extra sidebar. We can add a sidebar for your AdSense banners or one for your ads. We will let your users' experience be a new way to enjoy your website with dynamic fields. We can clone any site regarding design with our powerful premium features. Etsy clone, TripAdvisor clone, Pinterest clone, OLX clone. Now, when it comes to customizations, as I already mentioned, we have the clone service and we can create, for example, an OLX clone. So most of our customers ask for a clone from a big classified site or marketplace. Now, we can change your home page or any page color. It will take 2 days to complete this task. When it comes to our authentic design, you can simply give your ideas for your project and we will create a unique design for you with all of our premium features integrated. The theme modification. So do you want to modify any of our themes? You can order that. For example, let's say you can add a new sidebar. We could add a new footer or slideshow for the same price. Now, when it comes to payment integration, we can add any payment system to Yclas. Okay, so to change the theme, let's get right to it actually, and I will explain to you. So to change the look and feel of your website, you have to go to the admin panel. You have to select appearance and then themes from the left sidebar, as I already showed you. Now at the top of the page, right here, you can see the theme you're currently using. In my case, that's the ocean theme. Now below, there is a list of the available themes that are already owned. You can select one theme, let's say the one you like the most, and click Activate over here. Or, before that, you can preview a theme by clicking on Preview. Okay, let's preview this one. So from here, you can preview the theme, you can see how it looks like. And actually, if you want to preview more themes, you can just click on this button over here and you can decide which other theme, these are actually the available themes for you. You can decide which one you can choose to preview. You can choose the style and the language as well. Okay, now if you don't have any available themes to choose from, you can always get Yclas Self-Hosted Pro from the market. Just hit Buy Now and you will be redirected to the site where you can complete the payment. After purchasing, you will be provided with the download link and all the necessary info. Now when it comes to premium themes, when you buy a premium theme, what we offer you is free installation. So contact us and we will do it for you. But you could do it also yourself, because it's really easy and fast. Now I'm going to tell you how to do that. You have to click on Themes, upload the downloaded theme file, and then press Activate. When you go again to the panel, Appearances, and then Themes, you will notice that the new theme will be displayed right here under the available options. Then you have to click Activate on your premium theme. When buying one of our premium themes, you can enjoy plenty of additional options that help you to adjust the page to your needs. You can change them by going to Panel and choose Theme Options over here. I'm going to show you how to change the theme options on your theme in a moment. But when it comes to modifying, if you want to go beyond the themes that we offer in the market and make some of your own improvements, you're free to do so. You have to access to the source code, so you can make any changes you need. We can also help you build your own custom theme according to your specific need and make your site unique. Okay. So this is the theme, as I already mentioned, that I'm currently using. And now I would like to change it to option. I'm going to activate the theme. Actually, this is a theme with some extra functionality than the others, because it's specialized in options. Now, sellers can list an item and choose the listing duration. The bidding opens at a price the seller specifies, and when it ends, the bidder with the highest bid wins. As it works with options. This is the theme. You can actually choose to change its colors. Okay, so you go back to the panel. Below appearance, you click on theme options, and now, as you can see, here are the listed theme options. Theme options auction. Remember, you're changing the theme that you're currently using, the one that's activated. So you can upload your logo and some different things, but now I'm going to change the color because I originally changed it. You can change the color through here, the color options, and click on update. It will save the options that you would like to have. There is also the typography. You can change the font, the layout. You can change what to be displayed or not. You can make some changes to the home page, number of ads, the site slogan. Now, the listing, there is the infinite scroll, the default state, etc. As you can see, you can update these options if you'd like to see how it looks or to experiment with your theme. And also you have the add detail page. Here, of course, don't forget that we're changing the options for the particular theme that's activated. Here you can show best bidder and number of bids, and also show bids history in pop-up. So if I change the theme, there will be other options here about the ads, because as I already mentioned, the auction is a theme with some extra functionality than the other ones. Okay, so here, let's see how it looks like when I change the color. So that's how the theme looks like originally. Okay, I want to show you another theme. We can preview all of them, but you can do that on your own. I don't want to be a spoiler. Let's say the splash. Now, the splash is one of our newest themes. It has great visuals that allow you to create an attractive website. As you can see, this is how it looks like. It's very neat. It has the latest ads displayed at the bottom. And it's a very, very nice option. There is Yclas. This is a new theme created and inspired by successful websites like Pinterest itself. That's how it looks like. Of course, you can change and modify it. Now, I would like to show you the Modern Deluxe theme. This is the newest version of our Modern Deluxe theme. It offers a cursor on the homepage that makes it possible, it's here, as you can see, that makes it possible for you to display many ads. As the name suggests, the design is modern and has a luxurious appearance. The colors can be easily changed. That's how it looks like. So you can check out the chameleon theme. It has 18 different styles and colors that are offered with it. Actually, you have a lot of options that you can look through. Thank you for watching the video, and I hope it was helpful. See you in the next one.